All right, so I also need to elevate these lines that are in here because we do have a crown on the surface. So what I can do here is I have a line, this line here, so I can use that seam tool and basically select these lines. So if I'm going to pick this one and this one, pick those, pick this one, and pick that one, and then we'll pick that one. And then my line is going to be that one. We click apply. If I close, select this line, right click and edit, I can see that all my elevations look to be correct. Missed that one, so we'll go ahead and just add in that VPI there. Okay. What we can also do here is I need to move this layer, this line. Now, again, I don't need to copy it because it's not in my 2D. So I'm just going to call this Pump Island. High point. Or high, yeah, or crown, right? Could be a crown. So we'll just call it the crown because it looks like it's the crown of that. And we're going to put it on a layer, and I'm just going to put it on the DTM, let's see, my DTM breakline layer, because that's really what it is, right? It's going to be a breakline in there. Now I'm going to do the same thing with a line through here. Now this line's broken, so what's going to happen here is just going to be easier for me to, let me finish this, tab that. Basically just easier for me just to come into CAD, draw a line string, and we'll just call it breakline fuel island. Make sure we spell it right. It's on the DTM breakline layer where we left off last time. And I'm just going to come in here and start picking. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to basically pick that line because that's where that point should be. And if I cancel, we'll go ahead and set the elevation to that. Okay, and then I'm going to come in here, add a new one, and it looks like I got 20. So that's my top of island, so I don't really want that one. What I want is just, I'm just going to go right through the bottom of this. Now I don't want that elevation, so I'm going to hit cancel. And I want this elevation to be 2391. So I just want, I'm not going to put in the island, I'm just putting in this particular point here. So I'm going to come back over here, add after last segment. I'm going to right click and use my intersection snap. So I'm going to pick that line, and it picks up that point right there. I'm going to toggle off my elevation here so that it prompts me to enter in the elevation, because right now it's just grabbing no elevation. So down here, again, I'm just switching and adding another segment. Looks like I'll go to the center of that one. That elevation looks good there. And then we'll come down here, and again, I'm just going to go to that line right there, and the elevation is going to be 2445. Okay. Then I'll do a new one, and we'll come over here and do the same thing. Start up here. I'm going to grab the end of that line, pick that elevation. Now I'm going to come back and make sure that those elevations do match there. So this is going to be that 91. Again, I'm picking the intersection here. So I'm going to right click, intersect segments, pick this one and that one. And the elevation for that is going to be there. And then I can come down here, pick this, picks up that elevation. And I'll come down here, and I don't want to go there, I want to go back here. So this one's what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, do the intersection again of segments, and picking this line and that line so that it puts the point at that right spot. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing down here. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. You can go ahead and do that. And when we're done, we'll work on the building pad here. But just want to get those lines in as well. What I would do first, or let me show you this too before I do that. If I come in here, right click and edit, I want to make sure when I go to vertical that I put that in the right spot. And I can see that that's off a little bit. So that's going to give me a flag. So I'm just going to left click to highlight it, go distance along, and I'm just going to come in and make sure I snap there and hit save. So I move that VPI over to that point there. Same thing here. I'm going to come in, I'm going to go to distance along, and I'm going to put it there. So you want to make sure that they do match. It seems like I should have done that earlier in the earlier video, but it was using the point spot shot elevation. I would say the line is my true line, not the spot elevation, because the spot elevation was just somebody dropped it in and then set that elevation. So you want to make sure if these lines are my construction lines or my concrete cut lines, or expansion joints, basically, then I want to make sure that I put them in the right spot. So you want to just go ahead and just want to show you how to edit those and make sure that that is correct. That way we won't get any flags when we build the surface.